If you're starting digital marketing in 2026, you're either going to build a serious career using AI as leverage, or you're going to spend the next 2 years learning random tools that become irrelevant. There is no casual beginner advantage anymore. And if I had to start from absolute zero in 2026, this is exactly the roadmap I would follow. Not theory, not motivation, a practical execution first roadmap. Stay with me because most beginners get this completely wrong. AI has completely changed the game. Copywriting, AI can do it. Ad creatives, AI can generate them. Research, automated, landing pages, drag and drop. So if you enter digital marketing just to post on Instagram, you're already outdated. But here's the opportunity. The people who learn how to operate AI plus think strategically will dominate the next 5 to 10 years. Let me show you how to become that person. Every month we meet beginners who say, I'm learning Reels, I'm doing a Canva course, I watched some SEO tutorials. But when I ask them one question, how does a business actually make money online? Silence. That's the real gap. So let's fix that. If you are new here and you enjoy content that helps you level up in your career, please subscribe to Young Urban Project and we'll keep bringing valuable videos like this every week. Phase 1. Learn how business actually works. If I'm starting in 2026, I don't touch ads, I don't touch automation. For the first couple of weeks, I focus on one thing: understanding revenue. How does traffic become leads? How do leads become sales? Where does profit actually come from? You need to understand customer psychology, funnels, positioning, offer creation. Without this, tools are useless. Use ChatGPT not to write captions, but to break down case studies, study real brands, go to Meta Ads library and reverse engineer ads. Ask, why would this convert? That mindset shift alone puts you ahead of 80% of beginners. Don't become a tool operator, become a problem solver. Phase 2, build a core skill that pays. Now we get practical. In 2026, the highest leverage beginner skill is performance marketing. Why? Because businesses don't pay for content, they pay for revenue. So you need to understand how to run paid ads, how to track conversions, how to measure return on ad spend. Even if you start small, open a Meta Ads account, run a tiny campaign, spend a small amount just to understand how the dashboard works. Break things, make mistakes, learn by doing. At the same time, learn Google Analytics properly, not surface level. Understand attribution, understand funnels, inside data. That's what makes you job ready. Phase 3, learn to use AI as a weapon. Most beginners use AI lazily. Write 5 captions for me. That's not leverage. Real leverage looks like this. You use AI to analyze competitors, generate multiple ad angles, build testing matrices, improve landing page copy, summarize campaign performance data. You become faster, smarter, more strategic. Learn advanced prompting. Learn how to chain prompts. Use AI for research before every campaign. AI should make you 3x more effective, not 3x more dependent. Phase 4, build proof of work. This is where careers are actually built, not in learning but in shipping. You need real campaigns, real landing pages, real data, real experiments. Even if you don't have a client, create a mock brand, run ads to a small budget, build a funnel, document the results, turn it into a case study. When someone asks, what have you done? You don't say, I completed a course. You say, I tested 4 creatives, reduced cost per lead by 32%. Here's how. That changes everything. Phase 5, choose your path. Now you're getting even serious. Now you choose job, freelance, or building your own brand. If you're going for a job, speak numbers in interviews. If you're choosing to freelance, pick one niche and go deep. If you want to build your own brand, use performance marketing to grow your own audience. But don't stay stuck in learning mode. Execution is the real separator. What most beginners will do and fail at. They will jump from trend to trend, learn 10 skills, master none, avoid running real campaigns, blame the algorithm. Don't be that person. However, there is a shortcut. Can you do all this alone? Yes, but it will take longer. You'll make more mistakes and you won't have feedback. That's exactly why at Young Urban Project, we built our 12-week advanced digital marketing course. It's structured and hands on. You run real campaigns, you build a real portfolio, you learn AI workflows properly, and you get mentorship. If you're serious about becoming job ready in 2026, not just learning marketing, check the link below. Finally, If I had to restart in 2026, first I'd understand business deeply, then I'd master performance marketing, then I'd use AI as leverage, then I'd build proof, then I'd monetize. Simple roadmap. It's not as easy as it sounds, but it is clear. If you follow this, you have a high chance of succeeding. If you liked this video, hit that like and share button. Tell us what you liked in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe Young Urban Project. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.